Ever think about building a personal brand in midlife? If not, it's high time you considered it. You see, midlife is a goldmine of unique advantages when it comes to personal branding. It's the perfect blend of experience, relatability, and authenticity, ingredients that are pure gold in the branding game. Let's start with experience. By the time we hit midlife, we've seen a thing or two. We've navigated both triumphs and trials and learned from each one. This wealth of experience isn't just valuable, it's in demand. Marketing firms, brands, PR agencies, they're all seeking the genuine perspective that only comes with life experience. And midlifers, you've got it in abundance. Now let's talk relatability. Midlifers have a unique ability to connect with people on a deeper level. Why? Because we've been there. We've had the same struggles, the same joys, the same life-defining moments. That relatability is a powerful tool, allowing us to resonate with others in a way that younger influencers often can't. And then there's authenticity. In an age where everything seems filtered and curated, authenticity is a breath of fresh air. And who better to bring that authenticity than midlifers? We've lived enough to know that life isn't always picture perfect, and that's okay. In fact, it's more than okay. It's real, and realness resonates. But it's not just about the influence. It's also about the financial advantages. Midlifers attract an audience with spending power. That makes you valuable to brands and can also boost your own ventures. So, if you're in midlife and considering a personal brand, know this. It's not just possible, it's advantageous. You bring a unique blend of experience, relatability, and authenticity to the table. And in a world hungry for real, genuine connection, that's worth its weight in gold. Midlife is not just a time for reflection, but also for action. Building a personal brand is a viable and beneficial goal. So, how do you start building a personal brand in midlife? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, you need to choose the right platform. This is where your target audience hangs out, and it's where you'll share your unique insights, experiences, and solutions. Whether it's a blog, a podcast, or social media, the key is to find a platform that suits your style and your audience. Next, you'll want to focus on a specific niche. This should align with your passion and the kind of impact you want to make. It's not enough to simply find a niche. You need to find your niche. This is where your authenticity, experience, and relatability will shine through, attracting an audience that appreciates your unique perspective. Once you've found your platform and your niche, it's time to start creating engaging content. This isn't about being perfect or having all the answers. It's about sharing your journey, your lessons, and your insights. Remember, your audience is looking for realness, not perfection. Your content should provide value and solve problems for your audience, creating a deeper connection and fostering a sense of community. And finally, ensure your messaging is consistent. Your social media profiles, your content, your interactions, they should all clearly reflect your niche and what you stand for. This makes it easier for your audience to understand your brand and for you to build a strong, authentic personal brand. Now you might be thinking, this sounds technical or time-consuming. But remember, starting a personal brand in midlife can be done part-time, and it's less technical than you might think. There are countless tools and platforms out there designed to make the process easier than ever. So don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Remember, the journey of building a personal brand is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and authenticity are your power tools. So take the first step. Start your journey and watch as your personal brand grows and evolves. What's the secret sauce that makes midlifers stand out in personal branding? Let's delve into the power of authenticity. Authenticity is like a beacon, drawing people towards you. It's your ability to be genuine, to be real, to be you. And guess what? As a midlifer, you've got that in spades. You see, authenticity isn't something you can fake or buy. It's earned through years of experiences, triumphs, and even failures. It's the sum total of all the life lessons you've learned and the wisdom you've gained. And that, dear friends, is something that cannot be replicated by those who haven't walked in your shoes. But why does authenticity matter? Well, in an age where we're constantly bombarded with glossy, picture-perfect portrayals of life, people are yearning for something real. They're tired of the inauthentic, the superficial, the just for show. They want to connect with someone who's genuine, who's been where they are. who understands their struggles and their joys, and that's where you come in. Your authenticity resonates with audiences. It makes them feel seen, heard, and understood. It creates a bond of trust and loyalty that cannot be bought. It's a powerful tool that can transform your personal brand from being just another name on the internet to being a trusted friend, mentor, or guide. Moreover, there's a growing preference for content that is authentic, relatable, and trustworthy, especially from seasoned individuals like yourself. People value your perspective, your insights, your wisdom. They appreciate the honesty and transparency that comes with authenticity. And when you're authentic, your content becomes more than just words or images. It becomes a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. So how do you harness the power of authenticity? It's simple. Be you. Share your stories, your experiences, your lessons. Don't be afraid to show your vulnerabilities, your struggles, your triumphs. Let your authenticity shine through, because that's what makes you unique. That's what makes you relatable. That's what makes you, you. Your authenticity is your unique selling point. Embrace it and let it shine through your personal brand. What are the benefits of building a personal brand in midlife, you ask? Let's dive into this rewarding journey that is far more than just a business venture. Think of your personal brand as a platform for personal fulfillment. It's a stage where you can share your unique perspectives, insights, and life lessons. The wisdom you've gained over the years is invaluable, and by sharing it, you contribute positively to the lives of others. Your personal brand becomes a channel for you to inspire, guide, and even mentor those who connect with your journey. But the benefits are not just altruistic. A personal brand in midlife can be a source of financial security. With today's economic uncertainties, having a personal brand as an additional income stream is a smart move. You're not just relying on a single job or investment. Instead, you're diversifying your income, which is a prudent response to the unpredictable job market and the evolving economic landscape. Moreover, the audience you attract as a midlifer typically has spending power. This makes you valuable to brands and enhances the potential profitability of your own ventures. The demand for authenticity and experience in the marketing world places you in a prime position. Then, there's the aspect of legacy building. Your personal brand is an extension of your legacy. It's a reflection of your values, experiences, and the impact you wish to make. It's not just about what you do, but about who you are and the difference you make in people's lives. Your personal brand allows you to leave a lasting imprint that transcends the constraints of time. And let's not forget about self-expression. Your personal brand is a canvas where you can paint your unique experiences, insights, and solutions. You have the freedom to express your thoughts, ideas, and even your personality in a way that can positively influence others. In conclusion, building a personal brand in midlife is not just a venture, but an exciting journey that offers personal satisfaction, financial stability, and a meaningful legacy. It's an opportunity to make a difference, share your wisdom, and create a lasting impact. How does your personal brand evolve over time? Well, just like you, your brand is not static. It matures, it refines, it grows. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves alongside you. Being open to this evolution is crucial, as it allows your brand to adapt and thrive in the ever-changing landscape of personal branding. Now let's talk about content strategy. We live in an age where content is king, but it's important to remember that quality trumps quantity. Don't just churn out content for the sake of keeping up with the digital Joneses. Instead, focus on delivering value with each post. Ask yourself, is this providing something useful or insightful to my audience? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. This approach not only ensures that you're respecting your audience's time and attention, but it also helps to establish your brand as a reliable source of quality content. It's a win-win situation. Then comes engagement. No man or brand for that matter is an island. Regularly engaging with your audience is key to building a vibrant and loyal community. Respond to comments, send out messages, participate in relevant conversations. Show that you're not just a digital billboard, but a human being who genuinely cares about their audience. But what about your online presentation? Well, first impressions matter, even in the digital world. A clear profile picture and a well-written bio can go a long way in establishing your brand's professionalism. Ensure that your online presence is a true reflection of your brand and its values. But remember, evolution doesn't mean losing your core essence. It's about adapting and growing while staying true to your brand's roots. Your brand should always be a reflection of who you are, your values, your experiences, and the unique perspective that only you can offer. Your personal brand is a living entity, evolving and growing with you. Welcome the evolution and remember, your brand is your story. So don't be afraid to let it unfold, chapter by chapter, in the beautiful, messy, and utterly human way that only real stories can.